Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about what is quick share in Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to swipe up, and here it is, quick share. You have to just long press it. This is the mode you can share your files. Like I show you first, let's say we have open files by Google like this, and then you have to choose image or video to transfer like this. I have selected this one. Then click on share. Here it is, quick share. You have to tap on it, click on OK. Here it is, from whom will be shared, share file with contacts. You have to click on it. You have to first turn on the Bluetooth, and it will show nearby devices, so you have to click on it and the image will be sent it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.